This is Soulful Systems out on Spotify, Neon Income AI on YouTube. If you're new here, welcome in, guys. I appreciate y'all for being here. So thank you guys so much. Today, we're going to drop a course for you guys. It's called Encrypted No More. 3-part process where you get to claim your day, claim your fire within. Here we go, guys. 3 wolf moves to rebuild your system. Lesson 1, the wolf code. I don't bend, I brand. Welcome to the den. My name is Jen, and this is your first step in the Encrypted No More. If you've been living in chaos, drowning in noise, and stuck in loops that don't... This course is your signal flare. You're about to learn 3 wolf moves to reset your system, reclaim your fire from within, and step into your legacy because you're worth it. You deserve more. You deserve to break barriers. You deserve everything that's coming for you. You're about to learn 3 wolf moves. So here we go. Here's what you need to know about wolves. We don't follow the sheep. We don't wait for permission. We build our own systems. And when the pack moves, the whole ground shifts. That's what you're stepping into. This isn't just about organization. It's about your energy, your boundaries, an encryption of what matters most, your soul and your system. By the end of this course, you'll know exactly how to claim your den, ignite your signal, and encrypt your legacy. 3 wolf moves you can take today. Fast, simple, but powerful. And moves that shift from survival into sovereignty. So lean in and take a breath. This is the moment that your system resets. Let's step into lesson 2. Claim your day. Every wolf needs a den, a place that's structured and untouchable. Without it, you're just running in circles, exposed to every distraction and every thief of your... In the wild, wolves don't just wander, they stake their ground, and they mark it. They build a den where the pack knows to return, where the fire stays lit. And you need the same thing in your life. Your brand and your system. Here's how you do it. For creators, your den starts online. 1 clear bio, 1 link, and 1 signal. Clean up the noise. Remove the clutter, and make sure that when someone finds you, they know exactly who you are and where you stand. For students or solopreneurs, your den starts with order. 1 notebook, 1 folder, 1 system you'll actually use, and stop scattering your power across 10 places. Claim 1 space, and then you guard it. When you claim your den, telling the world this is where I exist. This is where I lead, and nothing enters unless it serves my fire. The chaos stops knocking on every door because it knows you've locked them all but 1. That's wolf move number 1. Claim your den. Once you've marked your ground, it's time to light it up. And the next lesson, we'll move into wolf move number 2. Ignite your signal. How to cut through the noise and make sure your voice carries further than the sheep ever imagined. Hit lesson 3. Now that your den is claimed, it's time to ignite your signal. Every wolf has a call and every pack has a sound that carries through the dark. Your signal is how the world knows you're alive and how the right people find you. Here's the problem. Too many of us get buried in noise. We spread ourselves across every platform, every project, every voice except our own. And the sheep are loud, but they're not clear. The wolf is clear, even if it only howls once. So, here's your pro tip move. Pick one platform. 1. Not 5. 1. Pick one message. Who are you? I mean, what do you stand for even? What do you even stand for? Let's get real. Let's keep it real. What do you offer to people? What is your service? Repeat it until it cuts through the static. Because signal beats noise every single time. So let's go. For creators, this might mean one TikTok late, one YouTube channel, or one theme. And for solopreneurs, one offer and one call to action. And one way that you serve. You don't need 100 signals. You need one that reaches further than any of the others. And when you ignite your signal, the right people will hear it. That's why you're here today. And when y'all come, you know exactly what den that you entered into because you already claimed it. Ignite your signal. Next, we lock it in with the third and final move, Encrypt Your Legacy, because the pack you call in today to be a part of the story that you leave behind tomorrow. Encrypt Your Legacy. The third wolf move is to encrypt your legacy. How do you do that? Encryption means locking down what matters the most and protecting it and passing it forward in strength. Your legacy is what survives you. And wolves think in terms of generations, hey, not just moments. Here's how you do it. Step 1, protect your system. 2-factor authentication, password manager. Don't leave your den unlocked. Step 2, document your core truth. Write down your mission, your brand, and your voice. Study them. Think about that. Meditate on it. Conquer your fears and just push through any of those walls because you're worth it. Write down everything that you can, put it in one place, and in one document, encrypt it and back it up and guard it. Step 3, live it. Encryption isn't just digital, it's energetic, y'all. The way that you protect your energy and your time and your fire becomes a shield around your legacy. And when you encrypt your legacy, you stop bleeding energy into chaos. And you stop letting the sheep rewrite your story. You build a system that nobody can steal. That's wolf move number 3. Claim your den, ignite your signal, encrypt your legacy. 3 moves, 1 system, reset. Encrypted no more. You've made it through all the noise and you claimed your den. The vault opens soon, and that's where I drop full stories, behind the scenes creator moves, and secrets. And if you're ready right now, go hit the next level. Grab my Soul Plus Systems Foundations course, where we go from chaos to clarity and step by step, where I give you guys the next 90 days free, back to your system reset. Your system deserves more than survival. It deserves sovereignty, and it deserves legacy. Encrypted no more.